Hello, welcome to the course Python Programming for Beginners. In this lecture, we will discuss about packages in Python followed by standard library modules. Outline of this lecture is first, what are the packages in Python? Then, what is standard library module? Then, what are third-party packages using PyP, Python Package Index? Let us see what are the packages in Python. The general definition of a package is a hierarchical file directory structure that has modules and other packages within it. Like modules, we can very easily create packages in Python. Every package in Python is a directory which must have a special file called init.py. That init is prefixed and suffixed with double underscore. This file may not even have a single line of code. It is simply added to indicate that this directory is not an ordinary directory and what it contains a Python package. In our programs, we can import a package in the same way as we import any module discussed in earlier lecture. For example, to create a package, let us assume my package. Create a directory called my package, which consisting of the module, let us say my module, and the init.py file. Now to use my module in a program, first what you have to do, we have to import my module. How to import this? There are two ways. The first one, import my package dot my module. First package, in that package, what is the module? Or using from import statement. From my package, import, the name of the module is my module. You can use any of these two methods. The init.py is very important file that also determines which modules that package exports as the application programming interface API, while keeping other modules internal by overriding the all variables double underscore all prefix and suffix with double underscore the all variables as shown below. So init.py, in this you can define the all equal to, for example, name of your module. Let us assume my module. Some of the key points to remember in packages. Packages are searched for in the path specified by system.path, sys.path. The init.py file can be an empty file and may also be used to execute initialization code for the package or the set all variable. The important statement first checks if the item is defined in the package. If it is unable to find it, then it shows an import exception error that is to be raised. And also when importing an item using a syntax like item.subitem.subitem, in this case each item except the last must be a package. That is, the last item should be either be a module or a package. In no case it can be a class or function or variable defined in the previous item. Compulsory whether it is a module or package only. Packages have an attribute path which is defined with prefix and suffixed by double underscore, which is initialized with a list having the name of the directory which holds the init.py file. Then the path attribute can be modified to change the future searches for modules and sub-packages contained in the package. Let us check sample programs. The following programs demonstrate which prints absolute value, square root and cube of a number using the package math. Let us check this program lively. Go to your Python ideally or IDE, whatever you are using. So here I already copied the program. Directly I will open. So this is math module. This is not math, this is main. I'm looking for math. We made it as package math. This is the file name what I created. Okay, in this program what we are doing, we are importing a package math. In that we are defining our own function with name cube. Okay, now df cube of x, then the definition of cube return x power 3 is the power symbol. Now we can pass some values, for example a equal to minus 25, print a directly displays minus 25. Then you want to print absolute value of a equal to, call that absolute function abs. Then print absolute of a equal to a. Then you want to print square root of a. Then you can call with that package math, then the module name square root, math dot square root of a, whatever the a here, minus 25. Then print cube of a. Here for cube we are not calling the math module function, we are calling the user defined function cube, that is equal to cube of a. Now let us run this program and check the output. Here you can compare the outputs whatever you got function wise. The first one what we are doing, print a. What is the a? Minus 25. So you got minus 25. The second operation what you are doing, absolute value. Absolute of a equal to a. What is a here? 20 minus 25. Absolute of minus 25, what you will get? 25. Here you can see. Positive value only displayed. Then the third operation what you are doing, square root. Square root of a using math function, math dot square root. Here you can see square root of a equal to 25. Square root of 25, 5. You will get 5. Here you can observe the first print statement, it is printing absolute of a. Here a equal to absolute of a means now initial value is minus 25. After calling absolute function, now the current value of a is, it takes every time the latest value only. So here plus 25 only it considers. That's why here you can observe square root of a means it is not square root of minus 25. Square root of is plus 25. That's why it is 5. And similarly, cube of a, you are calling cube function. We define our own function. Cube of x power 3. What is x here? 25 power 3. 25 power 3, what we will get? 15,625. Okay, here we used import package math. Then some of the modules related to math, what we used here, absolute, square root. Then cube we define with our own function. That function is called here. So that is about importing a package and using modules. Another program, suppose you want to generate 10 random numbers between 1 to 100 by using the package random, by using iteration for loop for I in range. Here, for example, 10 random numbers, you want 10, you can give, you want 20, 20, you want 30, you want 90, you want 100, give the range value. For example, for I in range 10, generate 10 random numbers. Then the value equal to random, the package name random dot, then by using the method random int with the range 1 to 100, 1 comma 100, then print the value. The result is stored in the variable value, print of value. What you will get? Random numbers in between 1 to 100. Here you can remember, for every time whenever you are executing the program, random numbers are changing. These are not fixed, but the range is fixed in between 1 to 100 only. Let us check the execution of this program. This program I already executed. Let us open that file. What the file name I have given? Package random. This one. And this is the program. Just now whatever we explained, by using the random package, the random numbers in between 1 to 100, but the count is 10. Only you want only 10 random numbers between 1 to 100. Then print that random numbers. Let us run this program. Here you can see, in between 1 to 100, total 10 random numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you can see the minimum value is 5, maximum value is 71. So in between 1 to 100. Even repetitions also allowed here. For example, you can change the range. I want the range of 20 random numbers in between 1 to 100. Change the range value 20. Now we can see. Here you can see in between 1 to 100, 20 random numbers are printed. 14, 17, 5. Here you can see. Like that you can use random package. This is the another program. Then coming to standard library modules. Python supports three major types of modules. First one, those written by the programmers. Second one, those that are installed from external sources. Third one, those that are pre-installed with Python. So Python supports these three types of modules. Now, what is standard library module? Modules that are pre-installed in Python. The pre-installed means that type, those that are pre-installed with Python. So modules that are pre-installed in Python are together known as the standard library. Okay, pre-installed or built-in or standard library models like built-in functions. We are having some pre-installed, also called as built-in or also called as standard library modules. Some useful modules in the standard library are, these are all pre-installed already or built-in or standard library modules. Some of the useful modules in this standard library are string module, math module, copy module, OS module, multiprocessing module, subprocess module, socket module, email module, system module, platform module, random module, keyword module, date time module, date module, time module, calendar module, random module, Keykinter module, MySQL module, SQLite 3 module, NumPy module, SciPy module, Pandas module, Matplotlib module, Matrix module, Pillow module, etc. These are all the most useful modules in the standard library of Python. So we already seen some of the examples of math module. Random also just now we have seen. Now we will see some more date, time, keyword, calendar. This we will see. Okay, let us see built-in module we already explained. See some more operations. So math module is a built-in module used to perform some mathematical operations. Earlier programs we used square root, absolute, some of the mathematical functions related to math module. Here some more functions you can see. All these are derived from the built-in module, math module. Math.py, an approximation of the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle, that pi value. Then math.e, an approximation of the base of the natural logarithm, e, exponent value. Then math.ceil of x, it returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to it as a float type. Then math.fabs of x returns the absolute value of x. Then math.factorial of x returns x factorial, which is 1 into 2 into 3 and so on x. Math.floor of x returns the greatest integer less than or equal to x as float value. Math.exponent of x returns exponent value. Math.log of x returns logarithmic value. Math.log of x comma base returns log base x. Then math.square root of x, which returns square root of x. This we already seen in earlier programs. Math.cos of x returns the cosine of x radius, trigonometric values. Then math.sin of x returns the sine of x radians. Then math.tan of x returns the tangent of x radians. Let us see one example program of all these operations from the module math. This program I already executed. Let us open package math functions. Here you can see in single program we are using various mathematical functions from the math module. The first one is pi, math.pi. The second one is square root, math.square root of directly value we are passing. For that, square root value is displayed. Then math.square root of 100, math.ceil of 5.6, math.floor of 5.6, math.factorial of 5, math.power of 4 comma 3, math.product of 1 2 3 4, math.product range 1 comma 11. Let us assume these are all the samples using the math module. Let us run this program. Here you can see the values in the order. The first one is pi value 3.141. Second value is square root of 25 pi. Third one square root of 110. Then next one math.ceil of 5.6. Largest value is 6. Then floor of 5.6. The lowest value 5. Then power of 4 comma 3. 4 power 3. 120. Then product of 1 2 3 4. 64. Then product of range of 1 comma 11. 362 8800. This is the example program of the usage of math module. Next we will see another built-in module, keyword module. It is also a built-in module. What it contains? The following function kw list means to display the list of keywords. And also you want to verify the entered word is a keyword or not by using isKeyword method. It is a function, it checks whether the given argument is keyword or not. It returns either true or false. When it returns a true if the entered argument is keyword. Otherwise, it returns a false. Let us see this example program. First, we have to import the module keyword, then print the list of keywords, keyword.kw list. Whatever the Python version we are using, that current version, related keywords all are displayed. Let us open that program. Package keyword. Here you can see. First we are importing keyword, then we are printing list of keywords. Then also we are checking a entered word whether that is keyword or not. For the w equal to input of enter any word. Then if the keyword dot is keyword of W, then it displays a given word is keyword. Other than the matching words, all others are under else spot, which prints given word is not a keyword. First, let us run and check. Here, see, first we executed. The first part is printing all the list of keywords in the current version. In the current version is 3.10.0. What is the version I installed here? So first, in this version, all the keywords are displayed here as a list: false, none, true, and, as, asset, asynchronous, await, break, class, continue, def, del, elif, else, except, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pause, raise, return, try, while, with, yield. These are all around 32 plus keywords which are available in the Python 3.10.0. Out of these, any keyword you can enter, it shows the entered word is keyword. Otherwise, it shows it is not a keyword. You used if else. Okay, for example, here I will give raise. Here you can see enter a word. For example, RAISC. See, RAISC is available here. What it displays? RAISC. Given word is not keyword, it is showing. Let us check it once. Again, rerun. For example, RAISC. It is showing not keyword. Give any other words. Suppose you can give false. So here false is there, it is a keyword. Let us rerun and give any other word. Suppose welcome. So welcome is not in this list. That's why given word is not a keyword. Then check one more. Suppose here, see, earlier we entered in the current line itself. We can enter in the new line. Here you can see raise. Raise given word is a keyword. Like that, by using is keyword method, it searches from the KW list. If the entered word is matched with any of the KW list, then it displays the given word is keyword. Otherwise, if it is not matching from the list of KW list, then it displays given word is not a keyword. Like that you can verify. That is about keyword module. The two programs we demonstrated using a single program. Then coming to calendar module. This is another built-in module. Suppose you want to print a particular day, particular month, particular year. For that, we'll use the calendar module. This module displays calendar information. For example, write a program to display a calendar of a given month. Suppose current month is November. November month full calendar you want. Using calendar module in Python, you can display. Let us check that program. The file name, what I have given, calendar. In this program, what we are doing, we are importing the calendar module package. Then you are giving the month number that is stored in m variable, m equal to int of input of enter month number. Then you are entering the year value also, that is stored in y equal to int of input of enter year. Now m is month value, e is year value. Then you can print month and year. So by using calendar module, calendar dot, using the month method, calendar dot month of which year and which month. In that year, whatever the month you entered. Now lively enter the values. Suppose our current running month is November 11. Now current running is 2023. Now you can see. So November 23, the full calendar 1 to 30. So like that you can display the month and year using calendar module. Suppose here you want to display a calendar, a particular year calendar. To display the complete calendar year, simply you can enter the year using calendar module. Calendar dot, the method itself is a calendar. Let us check this program. The file name is given calendar1, package underscore calendar1. It's simply one line, print of calendar dot calendar of year. Then whatever the year you can enter, that full year, all 12 months calendar is displayed. Can click on run module. So suppose we are in 2023. Here you can see 2023 full year calendar. We enter 2023, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is the full calendar of the year 2023. Whichever the year you want, you can see that particular year full calendar. That is the use of calendar module. Then coming to the next built-in module, time module. Suppose you want to display date and time using time module. The following program demonstrates which displays the date and time using time module. For that, you can use the time module by importing import time. Suppose the local time you want to display local time equal to time dot ASC time, the time zone ASC method time dot local time of time dot time. Then you can print local time by calling the variable local time. Let us see this program. So here we are using time module. So local time you want to display. Now I am doing this video from India, Telangana, Hyderabad. Now the local current time, if I will run, I will tell the time now. Now it is 19th November 2023, early morning 20 minutes. Let us run this program. Yeah, what I read. So November 19th, 002023. The current time, Sunday, November 19th, 0 hour, midnight, 20 minutes, 8 seconds. Here is 2023. You can run at your location in your country time zone, current local time and date will be displayed using the time module. This calendar module we already seen. Then another built-in module, you want to check the password. For that there is a module get pass module. So the following program uses the get pass module to prompt the user for a password without echoing what they type to the console. Suppose here you have set one password. If you will enter the password, then that associated part will be executed or opened. If you will enter wrong password, it shows incorrect password. Let us see that program. Your file name I have given get pass. Here the package name or module name is get pass. So here we are reading the password that is storing in password variable using get pass, the package name, dot, even method also you can use get pass, then prompt. In prompt what you have to do, enter the password. Suppose your entered password is, let us assume, Oxford, then it prints welcome to the world of Python programming. Else, if the password is other than Oxford, it come to the else part, then it displays incorrect password. Let us run and check the output. Here the security related get pass, it shows some cautious warning, but no problem, you can get the output even. Get pass warning, cannot control echo on the terminal. Warning, password input may be echo. Suppose I will give Oxford. My entered password is Oxford, then it comes to true part, that if part, then it displays what are the message we have given. Welcome to the world of Python programming. Next time I will give one wrong password. Let us check. Suppose I will give Python incorrect password. Here, what is the correct password? We already fixed password equal to Oxford. If we'll enter Oxford, then only that if true part will be executed. Friends, welcome to the world of Python programming. Other than Oxford, any password you can give, it comes to the else part and displays incorrect password. That is the use of get pass module. Then finally coming to the third party packages installation using Python package index. Simply it is called as PyP. PyPI. So in Python, many third party modules are stored in the Python package index. To install them, what we will do, we can use a program called PIP method. However, new versions of Python have these modules installed by default. Once we have these modules, installing libraries from PyPI becomes very easy. Simply what we will do, go to the command line for Windows, for example, in case of, it will be command prompt and enter pip space install space library name, whichever the library you want to install. It's very simple one in the command line. Once the library is installed, import it into our program and then use it in our code. Using pip, which is the standard way of installing libraries on most operating systems. But some libraries we have pre-built binaries like executable files for Windows, which can be installed with a GUI the same way we would install other programs. So that is about Python package index.